This video will explain how Smeg induction technology works. Induction hobs have many benefits over other heat sources, including energy efficiency, speed, safety, and even being simple to clean. Induction cooking is based on magnetic fields. Under the ceramic glass, there's an induction coil that works in conjunction with the base of magnetic cookware. Therefore, heat can only be created with the presence of induction-safe cookware. If the pan is removed from the hob, the heat will stop. As the heat is only generated when the pan comes into direct contact with the specific cooking zone, this makes it really safe from a residual heat perspective, and also energy efficient as there's no excessive heat lost around the outside. Induction technology responds faster than gas with more controllability. Whether it's bringing a pan of water to the boil or even melting chocolate directly in the pan, induction technology allows for precise and accurate temperature control instantly. While induction offers the controllability of gas, it also offers the sleek and minimalist design of electric. The look of the induction hob is clean, modern and elegant. With a completely flat surface, there are no areas for dirt to get trapped in, making it really easy to keep clean. Also, if a pan overboils, it won't burn on, it can just be easily wiped away. Smeg offer a wide variety of induction hobs to suit your home, from range cooking to built-in, black, white, or even silver glass, touch or dial control. There is something for every kitchen. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.